What are you making?
Well, this is a public service announcement for the people of Canada. I figured today they needed a snack. So,
Yes, I'm sure there are many Canadians who need a snack today.
so I made this cheese dip.
Cheese dip's a great snack. So what do you got in there? Other than...
And if you live outside of Canada and don't know what I'm talking about, Google it.
So what's in this?
So this is a variation on the Velveeta cheese dip that my cousins in Arkansas make.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
So they make a couple of different ones. This one is a chorizo variation. And I'm going to do the ones with rotel
And Bobby's.
and Bobby's. So I started out with 2 chorizo sausages. I took the skin off the sausage, put them in a frying pan, and just browned that up. While that was browning, I chopped up some green onion and a jalapeno. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe now and smash that notification bell so you find out about our new videos as soon as they come out. I poured in a little bit of the juice from a jar of pickled jalapeños
Okay.
because I really like that acidic flavor. Once the chorizo was browned, I put the jalapeno and onions into the pan and just softened those. Stirred that all together and then opened up a block of Velveeta.
A block?
Well, a Canadian-sized block. A Canadian-sized block is like a quarter of the size of a block in the United States.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
So I cut up the block and I put it in under very low heat. You just want to heat this gently so that it melts without burning. About halfway through, just in order to thin it out a little bit, I poured in some milk and kept stirring it to melt it together. And then once it was all melted, I put in what was left in a jar of salsa. Stirred it up, heated it all together, and this is what you get.
Well, so for those of you who need a snack, there you go. Now you got a project.
So this would be great for,
Low stress
yeah.
snack.
I mean, it's so simple. And it's a step up from my usual cheese sauce, which is a can of Campbell's cheddar cheese soup. Heated in a pan with a little bit of jalapeno. And I mean, there's so many things you could do with this.
Yeah.
In terms of spicing and flavoring, you could put chili pepper in it. You could put all kinds of stuff in this and just round out the flavor.
And you could almost... You could create a variation depending upon what you've got in the fridge.
Mm-hmm, definitely.
Oh, look, I don't have jalapenos. I've got, some chipotle and some...
Chipotle would be amazing in this.
I don't think you have to be stuck, so just...
So you stick this in a little crock pot, keep it warm.
What's the worst thing that happens?
It's still excellent.
You got melted cheese.
Yes. So give this a try and keep a lookout for the other Velveeta cheese sauces that we're going to do in the future. Thanks for stopping by.
Take care.